simply sort out, it's the truth. The truth. Paid attention to the calling, even though they all were lying. So confused, confused. I hear the sound of the city, I hear the sound of the city, and I think of you, of you. A certain moments now begins. Hope the sunset never ends like that afternoon. Afternoon. In your body with some color. Can we do that just for hours? But honestly, lost in me. I hear the sound of the city, I hear the sound of the city, and I think of you, of you. I felt the communication, the moon and all its vibrations, and I thought of you, of you. Of all the things that I've wanted to find, they all